Hi fellow traveler, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video.
Hello, welcome to Wandering Travelers.
Hi.
So today we're visiting Port Perry. It's been on our bucket list for a long time now. It's a really pretty town right down by the Lake Scugog, and its population is around 12,000 people, and it's got it's actually was on the TV series Richer was filmed here. Well, not the whole thing, but parts of it was filmed here. And it's got a beautiful lakefront. It's got a really nice downtown, historic downtown, yeah. And we're gonna go around and we're gonna show you as much as we can. We're only here for the afternoon because it gets dark around 6:30. So we're gonna try and get in as much as we can in the 4 hours we're here.
And it's a short drive, 1 hour and
1 hour and 15 minutes from Toronto. Okay, have a good day.
Look at these buildings. They've kept all this beautiful Victorian architecture. The main strip is full of little shops, cafes and art galleries. It's the kind of street where you just want to grab a coffee, wander around and maybe buy something you didn't know you needed. The town also has this great community vibe. There's a farmer's market, live theatre and festivals going on all the time.
Hey Kaku!
And then you've got Lake Scugog right here. Fun fact, this isn't even a natural lake. It was created back in the 1830s when they built a dam on the Scugog River. Now it's the heart of the town. In the summer it's packed with boats and fishing, and in the winter people are out here skating and ice fishing. Total all-season hangout. Port Perry is actually the birthplace of chiropractic health. Daniel David Palmer, the guy who founded chiropractic, was born here in 1845 before moving to the US. For lunch we found a cool fish and chips diner and we weren't disappointed.
show you the fries. Hand-cut fries.
It's good.
After lunch, we continued our walk and came across this little gem, the Serenity Garden. Honestly, it feels like a tiny oasis right in the middle of town. It's quiet, peaceful, and the perfect spot to just slow down and take a breather before heading back to Toronto. So yeah, Port Perry's got that perfect mix of history, small town charm, and lakeside living. If you're looking for a quick escape from the city, this is definitely a spot worth adding to your list.